So there is a Janmashtami celebration, there is a Jayanti celebration, and there is a what you call the death day is remembered. Now this is only from the point of view of the people. From the point of view of saint, he appeared in the earth on that day and he disappeared from the earth on that day. It's appearance and disappearance, and it is not birth and death. Okay? The birthday of a saint, a great being, is called Jayanti. Jayanti means victory. Okay? A saint is the birth of the saint is celebrated Jayanti, is a victory. One who has conquered, one who has become free from birth and death, appeared on such and such a date is called Jayanti. It's not a birth of a being. He decided to take a body and he decided to drop a body. He was not forced to take a body and not forced to drop the body. The one who is forced to take a body and forced to drop a body is a Adnani. Okay? Any questions? Jayanti means victory. What is a victory? He has already become victorious. He is not bound by birth and death. That's why saint's birthday is celebrated as Jayanti.
Then why they put the samadhis and all?
For whom is the samadhi?
For the disciple.
They want a place to remember. They want a place where to remember and honor their guru, their master. That's called samadhi.
ಇದು ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ತರ ಸಮಾಧಿ ಇಚ್ಛಾಮೃತಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜನ ಇನ್ನೂ ಬರೀ ಊಟ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So these are all the concepts which are given for people to. It's like a this thing, yeah. What is that? Remembrance, free. It's a teaching methodology. Are you clear? Any questions?
ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ತಂದು ಇಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎರಡು ಒಂದು ಫೋರ್ಕ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
Any questions? So next Upanishad is called Taittiriya Upanishad. Next week or whenever the next class, I'll start that. This class, Upanishad class, is always happens in the morning. Now all this Valmiki group class and whatever that class happens will be shifted to evening, so that I don't want to disturb the Upanishad class. Another 3 more Upanishads are there. I don't want to die before I complete Upanishad and Brahma Sutra. Okay? That is my
No, unless the disciples realize you should not die.
That is a long way to go. I don't know how many janmas karma I have to do. Okay, my purpose is Bhagavad Gita, Upanishad, and the Brahma Sutra I have to complete. Book publishing, website, everybody disciple is taking leisurely, but Guru doesn't take leisurely. Disciples have become very relaxed. They have become liberated much faster than the Guru. They have lost the focus on what to do and how to do. But I have not lost my focus. I have to complete Upanishad and Brahma Sutra. Okay? What happened to book publication? What happened to e-book? What happened to website?
Transcribing, nobody was editing. What to do with fish?
Why?
I don't know. I can't ask.
Okay.
You said it's a volunteer service.
Okay.
If they want to transcribe, they'll transcribe.
Okay.
Guruji, to fulfill her wish, you have to get Ichamruti.
Whose wish?
Her wish.
What is that?
Everyone should get Murti.
I heard that in that Raman Maharshi or somewhere that once the Guru will come, the Guru will take you to the self-realization.
Yes. Guru will take you to self-realization through one simple sentence. It is not as if you have to hold your hand, put your neck and pull you there.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಮುರಳಿಜಿ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡೋರು ನಾವು ಬಾಡಿ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Patient has to take the
Medicine.
not the guru,
Guru
to cure
suggests.
the disease. Today morning I was reading in one book that there is a flood, and that on the tree there is a dry branch on which there is one bird and a man. Man is trying to save his life. The bird is, but bird knows even if the branch falls, it can fly.
Fly.
But not the man. He is
He's,
having
shaken.
fear of death.
Fear of death.
So he should be the bird. So
You have to be the bird. The bird has two wings. One is called Dnana and Prana. Okay, Dnana and Prana, Mana and Prana. These are the two wings of the bird. Mana, mind with the Dnana, and Prana with the knowledge of Brahma Sahasrara is the word which can fly. Okay, do that. Focus on the website. Bring it to some shape. The videos, actually, some people are asking why videos have disappeared.
Yeah.
How to bring it, right? Quickly, it takes one day. Do it.
I told Dhaval has to do. I don't.
Right? Clean up that and do start putting the e-books on that website. Right? Bring it to some shape.
There should be books to make it e-books.
Mandukya Upanishad is there. Clean up. And other Upanishad, what is done, put that. Start doing it now. People want to see some action and result, right?
Yes.
Then you have to communicate with the people. The communication is also not happening. What communication is happening? Morning, Namaskara. Evening, Namaskara. Guru can say only Shubha Agre Baba. One day these people will become free. Namaskara doesn't work, my dear. You have to do some action. There's no communication about action. There's no communication about what to do, how to do. Nothing. Nobody is doing that.
If it comes from you, it's different. Good. If we as
No, we were discussing
students,
about-
if we say nobody cares or nobody,
What do you want me to communicate? Tell me.
you have.
I have communicated whatever is possible.
No, sir. It's like you have to give a. If you give a deadline, then we can follow up. It's like
Arey
you have
Baba.
to give the deadline kind of.
Arey Baba, you have to, whatever books are there, you bring it to some shape. Okay, every month you make one book ready. That's the deadline. Don't have to print the book. At least you make e-books. Keep it ready. Keep the website ready.
Sir, from my side, I can transcribe. Editing, I can't do. So somebody has to take up the editing seriously and do.
Arey, once you start deciding a deadline, share a plan with the people, it will happen.
We have done February ending. We have given deadline to.
What is the deadline?
February ending was the deadline. Nobody
For what?
transcribed.
You say this book I'll complete it by this time. No, transcription is a lot big activity. The first, these are the books we will start publishing. You have to start, put the date. Mandukya Upanishad, can you do in 1 month?
Mandukya is done. Editing is pending.
Do it. Put a deadline for that and complete it. Like that,
You have to give the deadline, sir.
I have already given the deadline. 1 book a month. Do it. Focus on that. Right. So, also please understand, this is not for me. My job I have already done. Okay, I have nothing to do. This I am giving an assignment for you people to keep your mind engaged and keep your mind focused on the teachings. That's all is that. Whether you transcribe or you don't transcribe, publish a book or don't publish a book, it doesn't make any difference to me. Okay, but it makes a difference to somebody in the world. Achalaji is coming and saying, what happened to this thing? I am not able to see any videos.
That's what.
But you have to communicate, no? We need to communicate to people.
We have shared it with everybody.
Achalaji, you shared?
She's not in the Atmajat Satsang.
Okay, so send it to her, share it. And try to make it available as quickly as possible.
No, we'll do so.
Right?
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಈಗ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ ಆನಂದ ಹಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಈಗ 4 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಷ್ಟನ್ನೇ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಮೆಟಮಾರ್ಫಸಿಸ್ ಬುಕ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಅದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Problem.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು
Yeah.
Can do it. Okay, fine. Today we are completing the Katha Upanishad. I am happy we are completed 5 Upanishads, I think, so far. Next we will take up Taittiriya Upanishad, which is another beautiful Upanishad. It's a it comes in Yajurveda Upanishad. So that I will teach next class onwards. Okay, Upanishad class will be always in the morning. Now other class will be shifted to evening, except in the morning where the Ananda Hall I have to have the class that day, workshop. That day only Upanishad class will be in the evening. No day Upanishad class will be missed. Is it clear? So clinic is checkered. But you missed the enlightenment bus. Last teaching of Hemadharmara you missed. The very crucial teaching. And what is the very crucial teaching? That's all you missed. Okay. So let us do. What is the time now? Some time is there?
7.
7. We do a meditation.